Today is April Fool's Day and I thought of a great idea to make it amusing. Haha, I know. I am going to pull down the fire alarm and claim it as a prank. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. That was so funny. Now to get out of here.
What's going on? Why is the fire alarm triggered?
There is a fire. What do we do? I think we better run. I'm scared. Let's get out of here. Hey kids, follow me. This way to the exit. Hey, there is no fire. That's strange. When there is a fire alarm, there should be a fire. I think this is a false alarm.
Huh! No fire? That's strange, because the fire alarm only sounds when there's fire, which could mean that someone must have pulled it falsely.
Wonder who could have pulled this dangerous prank?
Hey, I know who did this. It's you, Alain, because I saw you while I was walking out of school for recess.
Ha 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 ha. April Fools.
What, Alain? This is unacceptable. You're not supposed to use the fire alarm as a prank. We have to take emergencies like this seriously, and not lightly, let alone as a joke.
That's right. We know you did this just to spite the preschool universes right here. No matter how many times we told you to stop.
Because of this, the principal has suspended you for a week. Go home right this instant.
Since no one is in this house, and I am already in my room, I hope no one can find me out.
Ha ha, you're busted big time. Alain, we're very disappointed in you. You pulled a fire alarm as an April Fool's prank. That's absolutely messed up. Boo boo, that's not funny. Why would you do such a thing, bad boy?
It's because I thought fire alarms are so funny, and I thought you should all laugh at jokes. It was supposed to be a harmless prank, fools.
Oh no. Fire emergencies cannot be taken as jokes. When the fire alarms go off, we have to take them very seriously because someone can easily get hurt. You made everyone worried for no reason.
That prank is not funny at all. This is supposed to be serious, since someone could have gotten really hurt. That's also illegal, and you're lucky you're not in jail since you're only 13. Because of this, we will be the ones grounding you, in this case, a whole week, during your suspension time. Stay in here and watch our show for 2 hours straight, followed by Barney and Friends, Sesame Street, Little Einsteins, Caillou, Kindergarten the Musical and Firebuds, so you can think about what you did this day. Goodbye.
Wow.